morning everyone. I am Teacher Wendy, your mathematics teacher. I want you to watch and listen carefully to this video. Our objective for this lesson is use divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10 to find the common factors of numbers. Are you ready to start our lesson, class? Let us see if you have a prior knowledge about the lesson. Direction. Choose the letter of the best answer. Write the chosen letter on a separate sheet of paper. Number 1. Whole numbers ending in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 are called blank numbers. A. Even. B. Odd. C. Prime. D. Composite. What is the correct answer? Very good. The answer is letter A, even. Number 2. 542 is divisible by blank. A. 2. B. 5. C. 4. D. 10. What is the correct answer? Good job! The answer is letter A, 2. Number 3. A whole number ending in 5 is divisible by blank. A, 2. B, 5. C. 6. D. 10. What is your answer? Amazing! The correct answer is B. 5. Number 4. Whole numbers ending in 0 are divisible by blank. A. 2, 5, and 10. B. 2, 4, and 8. C. 3, 6, and 9. D. 3, 5, and 9. What is the correct answer? Good job! The answer is letter A, 2, 5, and 10. Number 5. Whole numbers ending in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 are divisible by blank. A. 2. B. 5. C. 6. D. 10. What is your answer? Very good. The answer is letter A, 2. Can you give the first three multiples of or skip counting by? 2. Very good. 2, 4, and 6 are the first three multiples of 2. Next, 5. Good job! 5, 10, and 15 are the first three multiples of 5. Next, 10. Correct! 10, 20, and 30 are the first three multiples of 10. Here is a problem for us to find the answer. On a certain bakery, there are 130 cookies to be placed on trays. The baker wants to arrange them in either 2, 5, or 10 rows. Would it be possible for him to arrange the cookies by rows of 2, 5, and 10? How? Let us analyze and answer the given problem. What is asked in the problem? Very good. We will be finding out if the baker can arrange the cookies by rows of 2, 5, and 10. What are the given facts? Very good. The given facts are 130, 2, 5, and 10. What should we do to solve the problem? In this lesson, we will learn how to find the answers to the given problem by knowing if 2, 5, and 10 are factors of 130. Solving using the divisibility rules of 2, 5, and 10. What do you mean by divisible? Divisible means capable of being divided by another number without a remainder. Example, 24 divided by 2 is equals to 12. 24 is divisible by 2. What is a factor? A factor is a number when multiplied to another number gives a product. Example, 3 times 5 is equals 15. 3 is a factor and 5 is also a factor. Solution. 130 cookies divided by 2 is equals to 115. 2 is a factor of 130. Because if we multiply 2 by 115, the product is 130. Using the divisibility rule of 2, all even numbers are divisible by 2. Numbers ending in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 are even numbers. 130 is an even number. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. So the baker can arrange the cookies by rows of 2. Example, 246. When divided by 2, gives the product of 123. 2 is a factor of 246. 246 is an even number. 246 is divisible by 2. Solution 2. 130 divided by 5 equals 26. 5 is a factor of 130 because when you multiply 5 by 26, the product is 130. Divisibility rule of 5 states that all numbers ending in 0 and 5 are divisible by 5. 130 ends in 0.
so it is divisible by 5. The baker can arrange the cookies by rows of 5. Example, 35. When divided by 5, gives the answer of 7. 35 ends with 5. Therefore, it is divisible by 5. 5 is a factor of 35. Solution 3. 130 divided by 10 equals 13. 10 is a factor of 130. Divisibility rule of 10 states that all numbers ending in 0 is divisible by 10. 130 ends in 0. Therefore, it is divisible by 10. The baker can arrange the cookies by rows of 10. Example, 500 ends in 0. If 500 is divided by 10, the answer is 50. 10 is a factor of 500. Therefore, 500 is divisible by 10. Let us find the common factors of the given numbers using the divisibility rules. Example, number 1, 12 and 26. 12 is divisible by 2. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 26 is divisible by 2. 26 divided by 2 equals 13. Therefore, the common factor of 12 and 26 is 2. Example number 2, 35 and 50. 35 is divisible by 5. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. 50 is divisible by 5. 50 divided by 5 equals 10. So the common factor of 35 and 50 is 5. Example number 3, 70 and 100. 70 is divisible by 10. 70 divided by 10 equals 7. 100 is divisible by 10. 100 divided by 10 equals 10. Therefore, the common factor of 70 and 100 is 10. Did you understand our lesson, class? Let us test your skills. Answer with yes or no if the first number is divisible by the second number. Number 1, 45 is divisible by 2. Correct. 45 is not divisible by 2. Number 2, 90 is divisible by 5. Good job! 90 is divisible by 5. Number 3, 1,180 is divisible by 10. Very good! 1,180 is divisible by 10. Number 4, 5,080 is divisible by 5. Right! 5,080 is divisible by 5. Number 5, 6,997 is divisible by 2. Very good. 6,997 is not divisible by 2. Let us challenge ourselves. Using only the divisibility rules of 2, 5, and 10. Find and give the common factors of the given pair of numbers. Number 1, 20 and 60. Correct. The common factors are 2, 5, and 10. Number 2, 25 and 40. Very good. The common factor is 5. Number 3, 28 and 42. Good job. The common factor is 2. To sum up our lesson for this day, what does its divisibility rule state? Divisibility rule for 2. All even numbers are divisible by 2. Divisibility rule of 5. All numbers ending in 0 and 5 are divisible by 5. Divisibility rule for 10. All numbers ending in 0 is divisible by 10. I think you have learned a lot from this video lesson. Am I right? This time, get your module in Mathematics 5. Write your answers in a big notebook or separate sheet of paper. Number 1, assessment, page 6. Number 2, additional activities, page 6. Number 3, what's more, activity 2, page 11. Number 4, what I can do, page 11. Number 5, assessment, page 12. That ends our lesson for today. I do hope you will apply what you have learned today in answering, doing your task in your modules in your daily life. I'm giving you this quote from Pinterest. You can learn something new every day if you listen. That's all for today. Goodbye!